is a test on the sound from the KRAL NP-03 without a moderator on it. So I'm going to set this down and we'll...
You want to just leave it running, I can screw it on immediately and take another shot.
Actually, you can hold that for a second. And I'm just going to fire probably at the 80-yard target. So again, without the moderator. Got to cock it first. That's loud.
Did you aim at a target or did you just free fly it?
I aimed at the 80-yard target.
Oh, okay.
Okay, with the moderator. This is the Shogun Donnie FL.
Yep.
Wow.
That's crazy.
You can't even... That... Did a mouse just fart? Because I smell something funny.
I think he was thinking about it.
That, my friends, is crazy.
Now let's listen to it. So we're going to actually see what Mama's